Guys, welcome to Outlaw Edge. So today's video, what I was going to show you is this is not my idea. This was something that I seen a friend of mine on YouTube. He actually sent me the idea, and then the other day I think he was showing me he had two of them on his welding helmet. And the problem is like when you have your welding helmet flipped down, a lot of the times, like a shop like this, you know, when I'm underneath the wheel well, I'll put another light behind me so that you can weld. And then here in the shop, a lot of times when you have like the trunk, like right now the trunk is up on the car and you're working on the quarter panel, you have a real dark spot. You can't see anything and you're trying to weld, and as soon as your helmet, you know, usually it'll lighten up so that you can see, but a lot of times you still can't see. But anyways, I'm not gonna keep rambling on. So this idea, and I want to thank Kelly Jones for this. This idea is from Kelly Jones on YouTube. And I bought this a while back, and my old one was all beat up and whatever, so I put it in my backpack that I carry in my truck. And I carry my backpack everywhere with me, but this other light that's identical to this, or pretty close to it, it was in my backpack. So I ran over to the house and grabbed it, came back over here, and I'll show you what I did. I mean, this is like so much better, like game changer. And all I did is I drilled a 1/4-inch hole in the top of the welding helmet right here, and I'm gonna cut this or put a shorter bolt in there. I'll probably just take it out, put a shorter bolt. But now when I'm working on something, I can go like this, and I have like 10 positions as soon as I move that bolt. You know, where you have all these different positions, and you know, even in that wheel well, you have a light, instead of dragging cords over and all this crap, because this light right here, it lasts for like 15 hours. You could leave this thing on for like 15 hours straight with these. It's got 3 AAA batteries in it, and it's super bright. And it has, I think this one has it has the modes on it. So it's high, low, and then single. That's kind of hard to see, but a single light. Yeah, so it goes, you have 3 lights, 2 lights, 1 light, and you can see the lights are right here. And this is LED, super bright. I want to say it's like 500 lumens or something like that. I can't remember. But I mean, how cool of a setup is that? And then what Kelly Jones did, he put one right here too. So when he's working, he can, you know, you see the helmet flashing right now. Because, you know, the sensitivities, you can see the sensitivities going off right now. It's picking up the light from the camera. But anyways, that's not my idea. That's Kelly Jones's idea on YouTube. Appreciate it, Kelly Jones. Thanks, brother. Hope you're doing good. Hope to get to Tennessee and visit your ass soon, man. Anyways, I'm going to get out of here. That's just a quick tech tip. I told Kelly Jones a while back that I was going to try to do this, and I finally got to where I was just pissed off, and I was like, I can't see a damn thing. I'm going to go ahead and put that light on there. And I remembered I had that one in the backpack, so I hurried up and blasted it on there, and it works awesome. You guys got to do it. It works really, really good. I mean, it's like game changer, seriously. Thanks for watching. Later.